So while I'm headed that way, I texted Jenny and I said, hey, I heard Three Bros has a restaurant called Jennifer's House. What time is dinner? No response. In a society where people expect a constant handout, there are Three Bros out in the Monroe Winder area of Georgia. They decided to start their own business. They're doing lawn care service. I think they're all still in high school. One of them's about to graduate. No joke. They're covered up with business, and their dad, Cliff, who's a good buddy of mine, him and his wife both, Jennifer I've known since she was in the 3rd grade. He calls me up yesterday and says, hey, Three Bros needs your help. There's some limbs that got to come down, and I don't know if I need to call it Real Tree Company or if you can do it, which is kind of a backhanded compliment, but anyway. So I said, yeah, let's do it. So I'm heading out there right now. We're going to take down a couple of limbs that are over a house on behalf of these young men that honestly have got my respect. Good for them. Young people, take note. You don't have to get a handout. You just have to put your hand out and start working. Smart. Check it out. I still think we got it. Super simple. A few limbs that are over the house on this pine. It's a dual dominant pine, and it looks all right. Here he is. He finally decided to make an entrance.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Almost forgot the most important part. Turn it on. YouTube fans love that part. It's just like audio.
I always like flicking it on, thinking I'm hitting record, and I'm pressing it off.
That's right. So what I'm gonna do, man, is I'm gonna come up. I should have brought it up with me. I'm gonna go up over this large branch and tie it off here. You'll hold it from that direction. All right, come grab it. I got it. one in the back of my truck will work, or should work. Crud. Let's see what I can do. Watch my rope. We'll drag it across me, sorry. New one always on top.
So let me explain what I meant by new one on top. My lanyard has a carabiner on both ends, and I use that for safety. Whenever I go to bypass something or go around a limb, I will take the loose end and go around it and clip the carabiner to the ring on top of the other one, and then release the bottom one. I keep that in practice so that I don't accidentally release the wrong one. Just something I learned from Guilty of Treason, actually, I think is the one who made the comment, and I've been putting it into practice ever since, so works out.
Over here, this is the one I'm using. This one I'm letting go of. There we go. So there's another limb just above it. I'll rig to. Perfect. Did I do it again? I did. Dadgum.
I mean, you know, you can see it, right? I'm tangled up, essentially. Since I don't do this every single day, the rope work is a little harder for me because it takes me a minute to figure out, oh, if I throw it over the limb in this direction, it's going to get wrapped up over here. So anyway, it is what it is. It's pretty funny though. I had originally done it a few minutes before this, and I just didn't show that clip. And while I was editing, I got to this and I thought, you know, it's funny. It's real. It's real life.
All right, give it a pull. Yeah. Don't let it come down fast, okay? It's gonna maybe want to. You're crossing itself. I don't want to burn the rope. Ah. So Cliff, how would you rate Alex Tree Service if you were to rate it on Google?
I'd say 5 stars. 9 stars?
That'll work.